Hey all, this is Kid with Pherform, and today I'll be walking you through your Bulgarian split squat. For this movement, we're going to need an elevated surface, right, like a bench or a couch. What we're going to do, we're going to pop one foot and relax that foot onto that bench, okay? If you're not used to this movement, it might be a little bit uncomfortable on the calf, but we will get used to it. If it's really uncomfortable, you can always set your toes down, okay? You're going to set your feet wide enough that when you come down in that bottom position, the knee stays on top of the ankle, okay? So we never shoot forward, okay? So what we're looking for is to take a deep breath into the belly, shoulders locked back. We're gonna open up the chest, and we're gonna have a slight tilt forward, so that chest is on top of that knee. From here, you're gonna slowly sink backwards, so that back knee moves towards the bench. Slowly come down until we get as low as we can, keeping the hips square, and drive through that bottom leg, okay, through the heels. Okay, from here, slow and controlled down, drive, okay? And that is your Bulgarian split